Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So, most people see this question and solve this question quickly like 16 divided by 8 is equal to 2. Then again 16 divided by 8 is equal to also 2. Now 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay? PEMDAS PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is synthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. First and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So here is division, and also here is division. So all have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. So 16 divided by 8 is equal to 2. Divided by 16 divided by 8. Okay. Now 2 divided by 16 can be written as 2 upon 16. Then divide by 8. So divide 2 by using 2 is equal to 1. Now 16 divide 2 is equal to 8. Okay. So now the expression is become 1 by 8 divide 8. Okay. So according to KCF rule, K means keep this fraction same as it is 1 by 8. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. F means flip this last fraction. 8 is equal to 1 by 8. Okay. Now 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. 8 multiply 8 is equal to 64. So the correct answer is 1 by 64. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.